Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a 7-layer salad. First, select a beautiful, clear glass bowl to showcase your creation. Begin by laying down a generous base of fresh, crisp iceberg lettuce. This forms the essential foundation for all the delicious layers to come. Ensure it's spread evenly across the bottom of your bowl. This simple start sets the stage for a truly impressive dish. Next, we'll add some vibrant crunch and flavor. Evenly distribute a layer of finely chopped celery and thinly sliced green onions over the lettuce. Then, sprinkle a layer of frozen green peas directly from the bag. No need to thaw them first. Finally, add a layer of chopped hard-boiled eggs and crispy, crumbled bacon bits. These layers build both taste and texture. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the creamy heart of the salad. Gently spread a thick, rich dressing, typically a mayonnaise-based one, over the bacon and eggs, sealing in the layers. Be sure to cover the entire surface. Finish with a generous topping of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Cover your masterpiece tightly and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or even overnight for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.